11th video, and from Saturday, today it's Wednesday, it's been 14 plus 4, 18 days in a row studying and learning how to code. I won't say much today, just that I'm happy I keep on going. I did like 1.5 hours study this morning. I'm gonna do 3 hours more this afternoon, maybe a little bit more, and really digging CSS. I want to keep on advancing my LinkedIn course to get back to Mozilla Developers Network. And I think when I finish my CSS, I'm gonna go and give a try to the Odin project. I really want to get into it. Looks really cool. I want to do it before getting into JavaScript. I don't know what I'll find there. Hopefully it'll start from HTML, then CSS, and then to JavaScript. If it goes that way, I'm gonna do the HTML and CSS thing all together. So this way I will be doing LinkedIn courses about HTML and CSS, Mozilla Developer Network, HTML and CSS, and Odin project. And then from that point, before getting into JavaScript, which is really programming and using, solving problems, I'll try to finish or to set up my surfboard website. I want to do that first with CSS and HTML, like kind of a static thing, WordPress or something, but I want to do that because I want to squeeze all I've learned about HTML and CSS, and then I'll go into JavaScript. But I want to have a really nice foundation about it all. Hopefully I'll do it next month. I've been a couple of weeks with HTML. I started CSS. I'm gonna give it a month to finish CSS and do my website. The longest I'm gonna stick with CSS and HTML and the appliance of it in a website is gonna be 2 months. So maybe I'll do whole month of CSS and get GitHub and Git and all that stuff done, which I think is in the early stages of the Odin project. And then I'll spend 2 weeks making my website if it's needed. On the other hand, I plan to do like nearly half an hour every day of CS50, Harvard CS50 course, which I think it's really cool. I've done just like 3/4 of the first lesson, and I'm really glad about it. So I'm not in a rush. I got 6 months to become a developer. I want to do really nice foundations, and I'm sure that's like setting the proper ground to be able to build from there. And that's it for today.